This is our fully automatic tableware machine project in India. All the tableware machines in this project are upgraded versions of Visure's TS-29H9H fully automatic tableware machines. Fully automatic completion the processes of forming, hot pressing, trimming, and stacking. This version of the tableware machine not only has an atmospheric and beautiful protective cover, and the technology of the equipment is also more mature and its performance is more stable. The equipment adopts a mesh frame transfer and conventional mechanical structure for product transfer, more efficient and energy efficient than robotic arm transfer methods. The equipment is not only easy to operate and maintain, but also has the advantages of high stability, high crop yield, and high product qualification rate.